Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you cannot actually enter for the pairing mode on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So take a look. I'm connected with my phone and my earbuds, even with the Galaxy wearable application. Take a look. I'm gonna add them quickly and everything is fine, but for some reason I cannot actually click and hold this button and get these colors on the indicators. Take a look. So what is the issue? Why it's not working? Take a look. When you open the application, you can actually find information about the charging case battery level, which is actually not available here. And what does it mean? That your charging case is out of the battery, 0%. So if you recharge your charging case by using the USB-C port, or for example the wireless charger, you will be able to enter for the pairing mode. So this is it. The quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.